Hello, hello! Welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. Today we begin a new group, and that's group 5. But before we do that, let's quickly go into the previous sounds we looked at in group 4. The last sounds we looked at were the sounds. Who can tell me what those sounds are? Yes? E and or. E and or. Good job. So we are saying E and or. Or. E like in feet and or like in fork. Good job. Now let's quickly go into today's story so that we can look at our new sound of the day. Xenia the bee flies all over Zambia looking for flowers to buzz into. Zzz. She wants to make honey. Have you ever eaten honey? It is very sweet and delicious. So in today's lesson, the sound of the day is Z, and it's represented by the letter Z. And the action for this sound is Z. Can we all say Z? Good job. Now let's quickly go into today's song. The song goes like, did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, zzz, like this? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, zzz, like this? Good job. Now let's quickly see how we can write the sound zzz on the board. Here we go. The sound Z is a small letter, and we said small letters sit in between the middle and the bottom line. Now it starts from the middle and we go like across, slant down, across. One more time, the middle, across, slant down, across. Good job. Let's add some sound dots to the following words and see if we can blend them and read. And so today's words are, we have our first word there, has a sound Z, up, Z, up, zap. Good. And number 2, we have the sound B, Z, B, Z, buzz. Good. And then number 3, we have the sound E, Z, E, Z, fizz. Okay. And then our last word has the sounds Z, Z, fuzz. Okay. Good job. Now let's quickly go into sound pictures. Let's see if we can hear today's sound in the following pictures. Our first picture is this one. What can you see in that picture? A zip. Good. It's a zip. Now can you hear today's sound in the word zip? Good job. Where is it? Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the beginning. Good job. So zip looks like that. Zip, zip. Okay. Our next picture. What's that? It has black and white stripes. What's that? Zebra. Okay, a zebra. Now, do we have Z in the word zebra? Yes. And where is it? It's at the beginning. Good. And this is our word zebra. 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 Okay. Our next picture. What's that? A tree. Good. That's a tree. Now, do we have today's sound in tree? No. Tree looks like that. T-R-E. Tree. Okay. And our last picture is that. What has happened to that paper? It's been torn. Yes. So today's word is torn. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word torn? No. Torn is t-orn. Torn. Good job. So now let's get our books and see if we can practice writing the following sounds and words. So write 1 to 4. Our first sound is z, z, as in the word zip. Z. And our second sound is the sound or, as in the word fork. Or. And then number 3, we have the word zip. Zip. As in, can you zip up the trousers? Zip. And our last word is jeep. 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 My brother drives a jeep. Jeep. Good job. Thank you very much for sticking around, and see you in the next episode. Now remember, you can get yourself a copy of the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide from Beyond Ourselves Zambia, who are the authors of this module. So to get in touch with them, all you need to do is follow them on their Facebook page, Beyond Ourselves Zambia. And once you follow them, you can inbox them the code Uncle Sam sent me. When you do that, you'll be able to get the book at 10% discount. So all you need to do is follow their page, like, and share. Then you can inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me, and you get the book at 10% discount. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode.